Welcome. If you want to stay in the loop every time someone comments on your saved pins on Pinterest using your PC, the newest update makes it super simple to enable push notifications for comments. This way, you won't miss any important feedback or conversations about your pins, even when you're not actively browsing Pinterest. Let's get started with the easy steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the main Pinterest screen, look over to the left side menu. This is where you'll find the key to customizing your notifications. Next, click on Settings from that left side menu. This will open up the settings area where you can adjust a variety of Pinterest features according to your preferences. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section controls what kind of alerts Pinterest sends you and how you receive them. Now, scroll down through the notifications options until you see the setting labeled Comments at Pins You Saved. This specific option manages the push notifications that alert you whenever someone comments on any of the pins you've saved. To enable push notifications for comments, simply toggle the switch or checkbox next to push so that it is turned on. Enabling this will allow Pinterest to send real-time push notifications directly to your PC, making sure you're instantly informed about any comments on your saved content. Finally, don't forget to click Save to confirm and apply your changes. This last step is essential. Otherwise, your new notification preferences won't take effect. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up Pinterest to keep you updated on comments about your saved pins through push notifications on your PC. This feature is a fantastic way to engage more actively with your Pinterest community and never miss important interactions again. Thanks for following along.